Hi and welcome back to the channel, and thank you so much for tuning into this video. So in this video, I am going to teach you how to remove the fixed yellow border around your screen in a Windows device. So make sure that you stay until the very end of this video so you don't miss any important step or information. And without further ado, let's get on it. So the first thing that you can do is to check if your screenshot tool is running or the screen recording. So if you have that kind of app in your or installed in your device, what you need to do is to simply go into it. So as a, for example here, I have OBS. So I just need to make sure if I'm having that problem. I just need to make sure if the OBS is recording or not. And if it is, and you got it that it is recording, just simply turn it off. And what you can do also is to just simply uninstall and reinstall the app and see if that causes the problem. And if the problem still persists after doing so, what you can do also is to check the Windows app issue. So some users have also reported seeing the error because of the Universal Windows Platform apps. So the error appears when you take a screenshot using software downloaded from the Windows Store. So to fix this error, you can use an alternative app for taking screenshots on your Windows PC. And for the next method is what you can do is to check if the narrator is running. So the for this method, so if you have Windows narrator turned on, it can be the main reason you see the yellow border around your screen. And as the narrator function works by reading your moves on the screen. So as a result, a constant yellow mark is displayed on your screen. And to disable it, you can just follow the steps right here. So press Windows key plus I in your keyboard to launch the settings, and just go to the accessibility from the sidebar and click onto the narrator and toggle the feature off. And now you should no longer see any border around your screen. And so that's it for this video. Those are some methods that you can do if you are having the problem. So I hope this video helped you. And if it did, please make sure to like, subscribe, and hit the notification bell button so you don't miss a video. Thank you so much for watching and have a great day. Bye bye.